our Coca-Cola lane. First
I'm so shaky, I can't hold the camera
still. Been down the
still.
track several times. It's got quite an interesting setup on the rear end. If you look at it as it goes down, there's two large springs that feed down to the center of the axle.
You plug there.
Yeah. That's Tant Machinery.
That's the Atoka stroker.
I think we need to get some shirts made up that says Atoka Stroker.
Come on now, watch the light.
Leaves a little bit early, but on a straight path. He goes to 797. Staying with it all the way, top end 1256. 102 miles per hour.
102 miles an hour.